Hey guys, what's up? It's Curtis. I'm back, C3 Garage Media. Thank you for watching. Click the like and subscribe, please. So in today's video, we are going to be showing you how I did all of the new rear arms on the IS. So I did all new uppers, lowers, caster, camber, got everything taken care of on the car. As well, continuing to make the IS great again. I am going to be fixing, or myself and my buddy Oleg are going to be fixing a random transmission leak that sprung up after my clutch destroyed itself. So guys, follow along, C3 Garage Media, here we go. So ladies and gentlemen, here in this video today, we are going to be looking at changing all of the rear arms, both left and right. Doesn't look like it's going to be the easiest, doesn't look like it's going to be the most difficult, but that rear upper arm is really up in there. So pretty much got everything here. I am going to attempt to get these in and basically get it to like a stock specification. Let's go from there. Alright guys, so sorry I didn't film it up to this point, but it's really not all that exciting. So what I've done is I pulled out the coilover. I have the upper control arm out, or the upper A arm out. I have the front control arm ready to pop out. This bolt was a little difficult to get out the backside, but no problem. Alright, so just kind of show you guys how I'm getting my rough alignment set with the new arms. I'm literally taking the old arms and I am matching their lengths exactly with the bars. That way, once I get everything on and secured, I'll be in some type of rough alignment spec. Then I'll fine tune it and then obviously get it to a shop. But you can see we got the upper arm in, we got our front arm, and I'll get this front trailing arm or lateral arm, and we'll get the lower control arm last. But it's all going pretty smooth at this point. Alright guys, so let's have a look at how everything looks. So you can see my sweet dual caliper setup, the Figs dual caliper. We got the upper, the front, the lateral, and the lower end. So now I just need to cinch up all these bolts or all these nuts on the heims and go ahead and get my coilover in. We can start on the next side. Looks so sick. Alright, so let's check out the progress. All the arms, version rear going on. So I still have to put my coilover back on. You can see, ladies and gentlemen, we got all the arms in. The rear, the fronts, caster, camber, uppers. Damn, this looks good. Now I just need to tighten everything in, fine tune it, and we'll be good to rock and roll. So here's the final product, guys. I still need to get it aligned, but here's my driver's side. Those arms looking fly. Upper, rear. Alright, let's check out the passenger side. So I still definitely need to get it aligned, but tried to keep it roughly within the stock specs. So here's the passenger side. BR series coilovers, the Willwood Figs dual caliper setup. Oh yeah. So let's put the wheels on and see how bad it is. Alright, so I got the IS dropped off here at Big O. They always hook me up on alignments. These guys are gonna go ahead and do the deal with there, and we're gonna head on out. Alright, so driving the IS with this, the new rear on after the alignment, so precise. Like every little move of the wheel I can feel pretty easily. driving really smooth. We were able to get it pretty well within camber. I did just a little bit of camber inward on the tires, and then about a 1/2 degree toe in, just to help initiate drift. But yeah, man, it's driving great. So very, very excited, and heading down to Oleg's, so maybe we can figure out what this mystery transmission leak is. All right, so came out this afternoon to take the IS out, and I always check underneath to see if I have leaks or anything like that, and man, came out and I got a leak coming what appears to be from the rear main. It's completely dry. Yeah, look at all that oil. Wow. Okay. Alright, so we're here at the Mad Russian's garage, and we're about to pull the tranny, figure out where this leak is coming from. I have a feeling it's probably the output shaft of the tranny, or input shaft for the engine. Yeah, so had a good amount of tranny fluid kind of dripping out of here and coming out of the dust cover. So we're gonna pull this thing off. Got the alignment done today, so all the rear arms are looking good. Drive's good. Let's get this bad boy done. Yes, it only took us about 20 minutes. We got the tranny ready to pull out. Between the two of us, it goes way quicker. So now we just need to drop the subframe a little bit, make this thing a little easier to tilt down, get out, and we'll be ready to pull this and see what's going on. Alright, so think we found where the leak is coming from. Part of it you can tell just based off of where the oil is on this bell housing. So you can see right where this collar ends, it is actually just dripping out right onto the bell housing and getting spun around. So Oleg's gonna go ahead and take care of that seal, and then while we're here, just because I've never done it, we're gonna go ahead and he's gonna put a new rear main seal in, even though it does not appear that it's leaking, but we just want to make sure. It's kind of tough to tell if it was oil coming from the input shaft seal, or if maybe we have a twofold problem with the rear main leaking just a little bit. It's kind of tough to see. I mean, it does look like there's a little bit of oil. So, just gonna go ahead and knock them both out. Alright, so got the tranny out, got the bell housing off, and the front cover, and it does appear that the seal's really not in that bad of shape. That is the seal that goes right here in this front cover. So gonna go ahead and replace that one too, no matter what. But I guess I was expecting to see something a little more obvious. And for you savvy viewers at home who may be experiencing the same issue, here is your part number, Master Pro. It's a $7 seal. Go get it. So picking up the IS here at the Mad Russian's garage. Oleg went ahead and finished up the transmission input seal and rear main on the IS, put that back together, and he's got his new S13 out here. It's an SR power, just had it sprayed. I think it's sick, super clean. Gonna be his daily / reliable drift car occasionally. Oh yeah. Alright guys, thanks for watching today. So happy to have the IS back, ripping. Maybe in the next video or so we're gonna get back on the track and get some skids in. It's been since August since I've drifted this thing, and I'm jonesing, man. So I appreciate you guys. Subscribe for more. C3 Garage Media. I'm out.